What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to play zombie split screen in Black Ops 6. For that the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know every single detail about it. So let's dive right into the video. So how you can play split screen, move from 2 friends to 4 friends in the Black Ops 6. Load up Black Ops 6, choose the zombie portion of the package. On the main lobby screen, grab another controller, connect it if needed and turn it on. Sign in with a profile. It can be a guest profile. It needs to be fully fledged user account. So if you haven't already, make sure that the player have an activation account and log into it too. When this is all done, press X on the PlayStation or if applicable button or key on your format. Doing so should make the second player name appear in the top right corner under the player 1. So now choose the select mission, select the standard match, and finally make sure you go to the play in a squad option. So that way you will be able to play in a split screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care, bye bye.